your crib. Yeah. How come you like that panda bear better than me? You like that panda bear better than me. Uh-oh, don't stick that in there quite that far, honey buns. Yeah. You want to hold me? Come hold me. Put that panda bear down and hold me. Come on. I want you to hold me. Put that thing down. I'm sticking that in your mouth too far. You like that? You like that teddy bear? He's soft. He's soft and snuggly. Ooh, you like the lammy. Really lots. What about this one? You like me? You like me? I'm just a little one. What's this thing on there? Do we need that on there, Mom?
No.